So guys, Thanksgiving is over in the US, so we can officially celebrate Christmas with class. Start with your base coat and then add a tan base to your nails. Just a reminder that all the polishes and tools that I will be using today will also be linked in the description. And you will see that some of my tools are very worn, like this brush, so be mindful of that. We will grab our red glittery polish and make a waterfall French tip. To make this, we are going to start at one side of our nail, make a small dot on the nail where the nail and the finger meet. Then, on the other side of the nail, make another small dot, roughly halfway down the nail bed. Connect the dots with a curved line and fill in the space above. Next, take a goldy creme and make a line where the tan and the red meet. I will be repeating this design on my thumb and my pinky. For our pointer finger, we will freehand a snowflake. Do not panic. Add a small white dot to the corner of our nail and make 3-ish lines intersecting at the dot. It should look like it has 6 arms, per se. Add 2 angled lines to the edge of each of those lines or arms and make sure they're pointing away from the center. And that is that nail done, and this is a lot easier than you may think. It is just very hard to describe. For our index finger, add 2 goldy blobs to our tan base. Add a couple small green ovals by our blobs. Add some red ovals around the goldy blobs. They should overlap each other, and they should also overlap the green but not covering the green or the gold completely. You may need to add some touch-ups, but now you've got poinsettias. For our last nail, we will take the green and make tiny lines, and then we'll add 2 lines to each side of that tiny line. These are going to be holly leaves. And then we're going to add 3 dots overlapping our green leaves, and now we've got holly berries. Add a top coat to all of your nails and you're done. This is a simple and classy mani that will impress all of your friends and family. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below with some ideas of some nail art designs you'd like to see me do. And I do have some more holiday Christmassy nail designs coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that, I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Is this why I don't have many friends?
Yes, among others.